Welcome back, guys, and a huge big up to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate all of you and all of your support, and this time I'm going to take you guys on a road trip. We're going to go to Negril Beach and spend some time on Negril Beach, and there was some rain in the afternoon, but that was no problem. We just play some dominoes and I'll show you the rain and just the beautiful sights on the beach. Spoke to a few people. Later on in the evening went up to Rock House, and I just want you to see a beach day vibe in Negril. Rain or shine, it's a lovely place to be. So stay tuned for footage. It's quite a bit of different things that I've shot there. Parasailing, all kinds of goodies, right? And a wedding being set up on the beach, like fun for everyone. So enjoy this, guys, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends, comment. I love to read the comments. I can't tell you that enough time. So here we go, guys. It's Negril Beach next. Hi guys, well, today we are on Negril Beach, 7 Mile white sand beach, and look at this beach, guys. Look at the water. So we're at Beachcomber Resort. I'm not so sure if this is under development, like a renovating room, sorry. But it's right beside Margaritaville, so you can get something cool there if you're thirsty, or there's even food. And Island Roots has a catamaran in with some tourists. Oh guys, this sand, so soft, so beautiful here. There's an interesting looking floating hut thing down there. I can't see what you're seeing. Oh yeah, it's just so bright. I'll be doing more footage today, but we just got here, so I'm gonna settle down, have a swim, and I'll take a walk later and do some footage. Anthony is the man you want to see if you want a tasty patty on Negril Beach. See him here? He have in box. He have cheese patty and beef. He have chicken patty,
beef, veggie, cocoa bread, banana bread, rum cake, pineapple cake, cinnamon roll.
I mean,
check me out.
Everything is right here on the beach.
Don't have to go no further.
No further. And see it here, guys. Time to eat the patty. Hold it for me there, Anthony. You see, when you want a patty, there's just nothing else that will satisfy. Okay? Anthony's the guy.
Yeah, come around with them, put it on it. Yeah, so then we're gonna too, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, that's the lick.
It's a happy guy.
Yeah.
So I was swimming in the sea and I put my hands down and I felt something rough when I picked it up. This little starfish. Look at the back. Isn't that cool? We're gonna take it back to the sea. Look at all this activity going on in the sky. They're everywhere. At boats. And one thing with Negril, every couple of minutes you see somebody selling something. Like my friend, the patty guy a while ago, who has been on the beach 11 years selling patties. And it's a little crowded in front of Margaritaville. Let me put this starfish back in the sea first. There you go. And look up in there. And then this place is a little noisier. They have really good food, but they couldn't win out the patty man in my view. So, and here's some lovely coconuts, water coconut. That's a real thirst quencher if you're at the beach. you can see that it gets pretty busy in front of this place because they offer all kind of drinks and good food. Margaritaville, Negril. And there's one in Ochi, there's one in Montego Bay. Not sure if there are any others. Negril has its own vibe, guys. Like, it's definitely got its own vibe. Look at this little fence and the almond tree, and then over the fence is another more quiet spot. There's nowhere like it. Nowhere like Negril. So this guy, I mean, they sell everything. This man here in front of me is selling, I mean, of all things, cotton candy and popcorn on the beach. I don't think there's anything they won't come by with and sell you. So you can either stay here in front of the noise and do this, or a few steps down the beach, which is where we are. The sound gets a little bit more distant and you have the beach to yourself. Just a few steps and the whole thing changes. Always somebody. So here is where we're hanging out, in front of as I say, a resort that's probably closed right now, but hey, the beach is still here and we just came out for the day. We just wanted a quiet spot, you know, where we can go next door and get something to eat if we want to, or seems like you can just stay right here and food comes to you. There's the patty guy again in the distance there with his plastic box full of goodness, tasty patties. So my friend's daughter and her friend are going parasailing. So they took them off, them gone out there already. So they take them out with the boat now. Okay, yeah, they're getting up on there now. So once they go up in the air, I'll be filming them for you. Leo, thank you. I've never been parasailing and it looks like a lot of fun, but I'm not at heights. I don't like heights. It is so good for them. It's an experience. But like, where are they now? So you see that parasail that's semi-inflated above the dock? I wish. I would love that so much. I don't want to leave. Okay, I wish I could see them. How does this work, Mary?
They'll come to I asked them to come up here.
Good. Whew. It might take a while to get them up there, so I'll resume footage. They're already mobile. Yes, they are. That's them going up in the air now.
No.
There they are. Yep.
Oh, you
That's
know
them.
nothing.
Because the other one is way down at the bottom. This is the same boat. So there in the distance is my dear friend's daughter and her friend. They are. This is the first time for both of them, so I can't wait to hear their
Is
reaction.
that really them?
Yes, that's really them, Mary. Here comes the boat. See the little boat? Yes, it is. It totally is. Woo! Woohoo! Oh my gosh, what fun. What fun. Here they come. That's two of them up there, right? Why does it look like three? No, it's not them. Oh yeah, there they are on the boat. There you go. They're on the boat. They're next, guys. You were.
She's just bleeding out. Whoa, Alea!
Okay, so I was in the sea minding my own business, and these those three nearly wiped me out. You have to be so careful. Okay guys, so the last video was a bit of a false alarm, or the previous footage. This is my friend's daughter and her friend, and there they go. And this is their first time ever. Hi guys! Oh, this is great. I have to stop it and take a picture for her mom. Here they come! Woo! This is great, and they're going down. I'm sorry if it's bumpy, guys. I'm trying to run up the beach here. I did take pictures too. This is so cool. Here they come, guys. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Good job! Is it good?
Yeah. That's so good. Touch the feet, yes. Woo! What a lot of fun. That's a great thing to do. Parasailing in Negril. There's the boat, guys. There's the boat. Woo! It's so nice. It's gotta feel so good. Wow. This is actually something I've always wanted to do, but the heights thing, I don't know about it. Not so sure. Gosh, you guys, the sea is so warm. Oy. Well, that was a lot of fun for them. I'm sure they will always remember that. And now we have the video. Oh, they're going back up. Going back up. Here they go. Woo! Oh my gosh, so great. So beautiful. in Negril, it really, really rains, and it just came out of nowhere all of a sudden. It's warm rain, but it is pouring rain, guys. Like, look out there. Not a soul on the beach. Look at it. Love the sound of the rain, the smell of the rain. Oh, you know, you come here for the sun and you want to just be in the sun, but I don't know, I just love the rain. Love it. In fact, I've been here almost 2 weeks and we have not had any rain during the daytime. We've had maybe 2 nights where it rained, so can't complain. I know I came to Negril for some sun, but I'm not gonna complain. So today was really a bit of a rained out day at Negril. And we came here for like the really special sunshine that usually happens in Negril. But you know what? Sometimes it is what it is. Do you see in the distance? I don't know if you can see it. There's like, let me see if I can zoom in. It's way, you see that redness? But right here, it's so much more vivid. Sorry that that's a little bit blurry, but this is so beautiful. Like, I mean, you have to be able to appreciate the rain and the sunshine, and the fact that I've been here 2 weeks and this is the first day that it's rained. Okay, yes, it happened when I came to Negril and that wasn't ideal, but look how beautiful, like, look out there. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is fantastic. Wow. This is serious rain, guys. Whee! Got wet. Look at this. Look at it just flowing down onto the beach, the water. And these guys on the sailboat. Whee! That's not the trip that they had planned either, but you know what? You gotta make the most of it, because one thing you can't control in Jamaica is the weather. And normally it's gorgeous. So if you get a rainy day, you just have to chill. Play dominoes like we did. Look out at the rain. Look at this water. Woo! Look at it. All the whole place is underwater. Look at it coming off that roof. Woo, lightning. You saw that? Oh my goodness. Very many chill spots here, but wow, we heard the thunder, guys. We are in like a storm here. It will pass. It's still so beautiful. It's still so peaceful. Look at it. We still have a long drive back to Montego Bay, and we have dinner yet to have here. This place is, look at it, look at the water. Yeah, so that's my rainy day vibes, guys. There you go. Woo! You saw the lightning? Woo! Dominoes on a rainy day in Negril.
Oh no, man, I just played the game.
Yeah.
6.
Dominoes. So guys, our Negril day was a little bit rained out, but I had fun because bought some dominoes in a gift shop, and 4 of us, we have a party of 5 here today, and 4 of us sat down and played about 5 or so games of dominoes, and you know what, that's fine with me. Playing dominoes on Negril Beach, listening to music, looking out at the water, and when the rain stopped, I just went in the sea, and it's so warm, so lovely. And so, you know what? I'm not complaining. So, it might be overcast, but it's still Negril Beach. Look guys, so beautiful. Look at this. Even the clouds are lovely, you know? So there's this tent I see down the bottom here, and it looks like it's a wedding or a function of some sort. So I'm gonna go check it out. Whee. It's still drizzling a little bit, not too much, but nothing to deter me from a walk on the beach. Let's put it that way. Excuse me. Yeah, these tables look pretty. Earlier they were just tables with tablecloths, but now they've got floral arrangements and glasses. It's looking a lot like a wedding or something here. I'm gonna go ask. It's lovely because it's a tent that protects from the rain, because the sand under there is super dry. Oh, this is pretty. Quite lovely. And you know, a lot of people do come to Jamaica to get married because it's, I mean, look at it guys, it's a lovely destination wedding location. Hello. Hi. Is this a wedding that you're setting up for? They're about to get started now? Oh look.
It's supposed to start at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. I know. I know the rain is kind of putting a damper on everybody's day here. But these are so pretty. Look at that. It's really pretty here. Oh, what a beautiful place to have a wedding, guys. Look at that. Look at these floral arrangements. And the backdrop of that ocean, the sunset. The wedding is supposed to have started at 6, which is, it's now 10 past 5, but they're watching the weather. The rain has certainly kind of changed things, because I guess they're going to have music and the MCs and what have you here. And this is completely rained out, so it's lovely. It'll happen. This wedding will happen because the rain has not stopped now, you know. And look at what they're doing here. They're raking up and preparing, and these lovely chairs. This is beautiful. See? These chairs look pretty cool. And then they have the archway. Hi. They have the archway where they're gonna get married. Everybody's here preparing for the wedding, I guess. It's a lovely spot. Negril is full of these lovely little, just amazing spots. Like, look at this, guys. Just under the trees, with the beach. I mean, does it get better than that? Look at that. That's where they're going to get married. Like, I'd say that's pretty awesome, right? Really pretty. Excuse me. These things that I see on the beach with the bamboo, What is that? Do they light up at night?
Yeah, man,
They
bonfire.
light them with bonfire?
Yeah, man.
And the bamboo doesn't burn?
Yeah, man, it burn.
Oh, and they
Pops.
keep putting it back.
No, they are.
Can I film you?
Film? Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So what the bamboo does?
Alright, so what happened? They put the dry wood on the inside and the bamboo on the outside.
Ah.
And then when they light it, it burns on from the inside. And the heat allows the bamboo to like make pop sound like
Oh, wow.
firecracker.
That's fun.
Yeah, man.
And they're all along the beach. That's very nice. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man.
All right. Guys, setting up for this beautiful wedding.
Yeah.
That's going to be a lovely spot, eh? Nice. Thank you, guys. Yeah, so I was wondering about this earlier, you guys. Like, my son and I were looking at these, and I thought there must be for bonfires, and they're all along the beach. So it's kind of cool. Like, when they light them, it must be really pretty at night because... So he's telling me that the fire lights on the inside, and it pops like firecrackers. Wow, I hope we get to stay late enough to see that, but I'm not sure if we will. But wow, isn't that cool, guys? That is going to be a bonfire later on. And I saw several of them up the beach. So look at this, guys. Oh. It's just spot after spot. Chances Negril. So yeah, I'm gonna walk back up because oh, look at the sun coming through those clouds. Oh, I just have always loved Negril Beach. I've always loved it. It's a very special place, and it's at the westernmost tip of Jamaica. So it's a bit of a clip. It's a bit of a drive from Mobay, but hey, it's worth it. Look, the wedding procession is coming down. Look at these little kids in their khaki. Oh, this is adorable. Can you see this? I don't want to intrude on their privacy, so I'm going to keep going. But yeah, look at that little space in the clouds where the sun is shining through. It's like, whew. Look, I'll zoom in. Just beautiful. So beautiful. I'm sure I'll be looking at this footage just like you guys, and I'll be like, oh, I want to go back. But I don't think I'll ever stay away from Jamaica as long as I have since I left. I'm definitely going to come home again soon. Because when I got here, even though I hadn't been here in 8 years, I felt like, I think from about the first day, I felt like, honestly guys, like I'd never left. You know? You get here and you just get with the people and you just start to experience a vibe, and you have a few conversations, and you get out there on the street and you're driving your car, and it's like I never left. That's how I feel, like I never left. 8 years. And I'm really happy to be back. It will not be long before this country sees me again. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed the vibes and the trip to Negril, and I just want you to know that this is my 60th video. So if you guys are just bucking up the channel, there's tons of stuff you can go and watch. just go to Country White Jamaican channel and you can browse through all from my pilot video at the very beginning when I speak broad Pato, which was just done for a joke, and then it just turned into this fun experience of sharing about Jamaica and now visiting, going back to Jamaica and sharing with you guys. So again, subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications when new videos are out, like, share, you know the drill already, right? I hope you enjoyed that video. There's more to come, rafting, all kind of something to come, so stay tuned. All right, one love guys, see you on the next video.